Here we have various uses of the old cars, as well as engines of the time. This is a corn husker. Here, unlike the sheep shearer, the back wheel is used to churn the corn husker machine. What a nice truck.
And I have to take the seat off, open up the gas tank, and put it down in here. Why is the gas so high? Because I don't have a fuel pump. So the gas tank is here, the carburetor's on the other side down about here, so gravity is making that gas leak. So I look at this one, I checked it this morning, I have 6 gallons of gas. I did this all day yesterday, and I only put 9 gallons in it. I don't put it in the full.
Here's another setup for corn husking.
You're good. You're fine. No worries.
No, I'm not sure how that contraption worked. I couldn't get close enough to see. Hey, here we get a demonstration.
Perfect.
Here we have a water pump. The sign below reads the following. Farm families spent a lot of time and effort pumping water. Small engines made the work of drawing well or cistern water above the ground easier. Family used it to wash clothes, keep milk cool, and keep livestock and humans hydrated. Here is a 1909 6-horsepower hit-and-miss machine. It was, and is, still a popular type of stationary engine known for its characteristic hit-or-miss firing cycle controlled by a governor.
6 horsepower.
6 horsepower?
Yeah.
In this cycle, the engine only fires when the engine speed drops below a set limit, while, quotes, missing firing and coasting when it speeds up too much. This design increases fuel efficiency, reduces noise and vibration, and was used to power a variety of equipment, such as water pumps and belt-driven machinery.
There we go.